You have no idea how happy I am because my skin feels fantastic. Shit, like this has got to be the best product I tried in 2021, hands down. Hi everyone, I'm Prableen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you like what you see, definitely hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you get updated every single time I upload a video. So today I woke up feeling extremely dehydrated, like not in the body sense, like also I was feeling dehydrated, but mainly because of my skin. Since it's lockdown, you know, we're all over again in 2020 and we just have to go through this because this is even more scarier. We're just seeing deaths every single day in, day out, and I can't even call my beautician at home, definitely, because of the entire pandemic. So I was thinking about what to do for my skin, you know, just to get the glow back, rejuvenate my skin, give it that nourishment, everything that it requires. So as I say, you should keep on changing your skincare routine as per the weather, because your skin changes, you know, your skin gets used to the current weather and you have to change your products that will suit your skin in that particular time. So I have
the Cheryl's Cosmeceuticals
Oxyblast, which is an oxygen energizing facial kit. Now it only retails for 300 rupees because I've used this when I had to attend a wedding in, I think, December if I'm not wrong, or Jan, and I used this and my skin just felt amazing. So I'm going to show you my before and after, how it looks fast, because it hardly takes any time. And
So
let's get started.
We have the cleansing gel. Now it's the Oxyblast cleansing gel. Very soothing on the skin and very gentle on the skin as you massage it all across your face and you just wash it off. And the next step, we move into the deep peel, and now this comes in a nice green color. Apply it evenly all across your face and be gentle, make a nice thick layer. Once that is done, you keep it on for 10 minutes and start massaging it in circular motion so that it penetrates through your skin and unclogs all of your pores and removes the tan and the dullness and the dirt off of your skin. You use a steam to open your pores so that it cleans all the dirt out and you wash your skin. After that, you go in with the third step, which is the skin oxygenator. Now this brings back life to your skin. You take it on a cotton pad and you dab it all across your face and you give it that oxygen it requires. Next is the rejuvenating serum. You directly just apply this all across your skin and let it stay on. You start massaging it because it penetrates better. The next step is the deep penetrating mask. Now this is a very lightweight water-like mask. You use steam so that it penetrates through your skin and then you clean your skin with a wet cloth. The next step is the energizing cream. Now you take this, it's a very thick cream. You apply this on your face and you massage your skin. After that, you take a little bit of water on your hands and you start massaging it and giving your face a nice spa feel. The last step is the radiance mask. Now this again is a thick mask which is going to give your skin that brightened effect and remove all the dullness and all the dirt out of your skin. Your skin is going to be so refreshed and healthy once you apply this and remove it off. Leave it on for 10 minutes and then you remove it with a wet cloth and you can see the glow that's peeping through the mask. Oh my god.
Now since my entire skin facial experiment is done, you can see this, you can see my before and you can see my skin is glowing. It's not funny. Now you always want to make sure that you top it off with SPF, and I have
the Cheryl's Cosmeceuticals
sunblock. Now this is called as the Derma shade. It's for all skin types. It is perfect for acne prone and sensitive skin, which is my skin type. That's why I think I love it. I love the product. The best part is that it has a pump, okay, but you always want to So if you're putting it on your body, you can directly spritz this, but I think if you're putting it on your face, you just take it on your hand like this. It's so lightweight, it's water-like. You just take this and you dab it, and your SPF is done. This, you can reuse it every 2 to 3 hours because you can directly just spray this. You can take it on your hand, you can put it. Never forget your neck. So always make sure that you take it down your neck and all the areas that are exposed to the sun. You can see my skin is glowing. I've shown this entire thing here so that you can see it, which proof how amazing the product is. Come sunrise or sunset or whatever it is, do not miss out on SPF, especially in this hot summer. You have to retouch, you have to reapply sunscreen every 3 hours. Literally, you have to do that because your skin is going to be exposed and you will start getting sunburns, you will get tanned, and you want to prevent that. I love the fact that it has vitamin C. It also has niacinamide, which is awesome for acne prone skin. The best thing is that even if you travel anywhere, you can just put this in your bag and you're good to go. At least spray it on your body even if you're feeling that your skin is exposed, and you can give it to your guy friends also because they always forget sunscreen, and when they come back from somewhere they're like, please give us something because our face is so tanned, and this is to the rescue. You can give them this. So the day is almost over, but I want to tell you what you can use at night to take care of your skin, because at night your skin is in the repair mode. It kind of rejuvenates all the things that are missing on your skin, so you can hydrate and take care of your skin at night the best. Literally the best way. So it's around 9 o'clock at night and I'm thinking to do my skincare routine. So every time when you wash your face, I just washed my face and I'm back, and you can see that my skin looks very healthy because today itself I used the Oxy Blast facial kit and I'm loving it. I loved it. So I'm going to show you what I use at night. So this is the
Cheryl's Cosmeceuticals
O2 Ceto Radiance Lotion. Now mainly whenever I use it as a serum, but it's also very hydrating. It literally brings back life to your skin. This also enhances collagen production. It's very water-like, but it's still so hydrating. Always take all your skincare products down your neck. You can see my skin is glowing. I'm definitely going to have an amazing night's sleep today. So basically this is suitable for all skin types, but if you have sensitive acne prone skin, you might want to do like a patch test and then go ahead with it. I have sensitive and acne prone skin, but I have used this before and it didn't break me out at all. But I highly recommend you to try the sunscreen and the Oxy Blast facial kit out because they are so good, so good. That is pretty much it for today's video. If you found these products really good, if you think you might be someone that would be interested to try these products, go check the description box and you can get your hands on them because I love the Oxy Blast facial kit. It's really good for all skin types because especially in the lockdown, I think you will need it to like give your skin that, you know, extra pampering, extra care, extra nourishing, because you will be indoors and your skin might get dry and dehydrated and you don't want that. So definitely check that out and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.